Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. This solution is applicable for Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So you have to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. First of all, we need to just go to the search bar and type your device manager. Then from the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out the audio inputs and outputs. So here it is. Just click here to expand this, and firstly we have to right click on the speakers, then select properties. Here we will get the two options, the drivers, and go to the update driver. Now make sure you are connected with your internet connection. If not, you can choose this option, browse my computer for drivers. If you are connected, then click on the first one. Then the best drivers will be installed automatically. Then close this window, and if this not work, then you have to just click on uninstall devices, and once done, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. Please check out the pinned comment, and that will also help you a lot to fix this issue. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.